Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am working on a 24 by 24 inch canvas tonight, and I have some really fun, vibrant colors. I'm going to do a double layered painting. So this is going to be the background. And then my local print shop, I sent them a photo of two palm trees, kind of in silhouette. And they have printed that out for me. And once this is cured and dried, I'm going to put those down on top of these colors, seal the edge, and then do a blowout of a dark color over top of it. And that way, when I pull the sticker off, the sunset colors will be the palm trees. That's the idea. We'll see how it works. So my colors today are Reflex Orange from Amsterdam. All of these are Amsterdam colors, actually. This is Primary Yellow from Amsterdam. This is Yellowish Green, and this is Turquoise Blue. And then I have a pastel of each of these colors also. So this is 3/4 Amsterdam Titanium White, and then I just drizzled in a little bit of this color until I got to the color intensity that I wanted. So I'm going to dirty layer some flip cups, but I've made up extra of the ones on the end because I need to pour this out and tilt it over so it covers the edge on all sides. And then I will dirty layer the cup. I will probably put a little bit of the yellow into the cup with the orange, a little bit of the green into the cup with the yellow, a little bit of the turquoise into the cup with the green, etc. I might, bring that yellow down into here too. We'll see for this cup. But I want a little bit of color variety, but basically I want blocks of orange, yellow, green, and turquoise. So that is the idea. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh, maybe I should show you the consistency of my paints first. So this is a very thin consistency, but it does leave just a slightest little bit of a mound. So I have thinned this down pretty far because thinner paints dry and cure faster. So I'm not too worried about the sides and edges because I'm going to paint over top of it on a second layer anyway. So, but I will tilt this out and see what kind of composition we can get. I'm happy to have some flowing kind of motion. So yes, I'm going to get started. I'll put some music on for you and let's play.
Okay, here we have our first layer done. Wow, that orange will knock you in the face, won't it? It's cool though, I like it. I've never worked with colors this vibrant before. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm not too concerned about little details like this little green line that's coming up. I would normally try and change that a little bit, but since this is gonna be a silhouette, nobody's gonna notice that kind of motion. A lot of this stuff on the outer edge is gonna get covered. But I love, the way I layered the cup was, I changed my mind at the last minute. Instead of, that reflex is just really playing havoc with my camera. I layered the oranges and yellows together and then the green and blues together. So each color cup had 2 colors in it. Yeah, okay. So now we let this dry. We wait patiently, kind of. So stay tuned for the next step.
So here we have our dry results. You can probably hear that it's raining really hard outside, which is why I had to do the spray painting inside. I had all of the, if anybody's concerned, I had all of the windows open and the ceiling fans on high. And immediately after finishing, I went outside and read my book for half an hour just to make sure that all the fumes were cleared out. I probably should have still been wearing a mask, but totally worth it. I think this is super cool. I love these reversed silhouettes are really fun. A couple of things I want to point out to you. I think it's really important to, when you do any kind of silhouette, to anchor it to one of the sides. Don't just float it in the middle, it looks weird that way. But when it actually touches the edges, it looks like there's more to see. I love the way it wraps around right there, that's really cool. And yeah, that matte black spray paint is really cool too. These vinyl stickers give you really clean edges. They adhere really well, but they actually pull off really well too. And they did wrap around on this side also. And this looks really cool from multiple angles. I think this is my favorite orientation, but it looks great on the side and reversed also. I'll throw up some pictures of that at the end. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And, you know, go mix up some paints and be fearless.